Hey friends, if you wish to edit PDF files in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now I have a PDF file here, even though it doesn't have a PDF logo, but I'll show you. Right click on it, select show more options, go to properties, and it's a PDF file. Now I do not want to, now the problem is that I cannot edit a PDF file. Like I can open a PDF file, but I cannot edit it. So to edit it in Microsoft Word, right click on it and select open with and select choose another app. Usually Word will appear here. If not, scroll down to more options and you will find Word. Select this and select just once, and now it will ask for conversion. Click on OK or hit enter. Okay, it will need a while. You need to understand that it will need a while. It will need around 1 minute to convert the document to an MS Word file, but once it converts the document, you will be able to edit it. So let us wait till then. We just need a few more seconds. Okay, now once we have the document here, we can edit it easily. You'll notice it. Though it needs up to a minute to change these things, I can edit this document easily. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.